hey, look at that. Bernsey.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for popping this in for me.
Yeah, no problem, dude. I know you're getting a little frustrated on some stuff, and we all kind of take turns. You know, we'll get shit done.
Yeah, I had to get a lot of billing and stuff done. So sometimes the boss man's got to go do billing stuff. So
yeah, that's all right. We all kind of jump around as long as we get what we want, almost what we want at the end of the day done, right?
Well, you know, I had to go under the dash of that. So this is more than fair trade. I think you're getting the better end of the deal.
I am getting the better end of the stick, but you know, that's my ex-wife.
The stick she had probably better than the stick she's got now.
You know.
I'm not counting the one wedged up her.
Nah.
Anyway.
Nah. All right.
All right. So you're
we'll
pulling
trim
out.
that a
There you
little
go.
bit.
Yeah.
We know how to do this, kind of, right?
Yep. And we'll just run this with hose all the way up.
Sitting right there.
Done deal. All right. When that's together, we will
get a video of it cranking.
Crank it, and maybe we can see how our pressure gauge works.
That'd be wonderful.
Yeah. And then maybe it won't leak, and maybe it'll run and be good. And then Curt can come get it today, maybe, hopefully.
Or test drive too.
Or at least test drive it, and we'll see.
Yes, sir. All right, guys.
All right, pumps in, fuel lines ran. We do have our regulator up here. Our sweet new gauge. It's going to be really nice. Get this baby ready. Nick's going to crank it for me here in a second. We have the coil off. We're going to make sure we aren't leaking at the carb. And then we will see what we have going. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. We're starting to get fuel pressure.
You going?
Yeah. Stop. All right, let me put the coil on it. Ow! Coil got me. Of course he did.
I turned it off.
Yeah, of course you had to laugh at me. All right, go ahead. Whoa, off. Right out the back float. But it was only pumping 2.5 PSI. But it was coming right out the back vent.
Okay, so you gotta adjust that.
I'm gonna adjust it down right now.
Okay, I'm gonna check on my car. Yell at me when you're ready.
Yes, dear. Adjusted the float. Bernsey, go ahead. Whoa, stop. It's still coming out that friggin' vent. Okay, so I have both caps off here on the fuel bowls. And I mean, I have our floats down as far as I can. And it's to the point now they're closed off. I'm wondering if these floats just are not the floats, the needle and seats rather, are just not working properly. Because look, they're not even running and we're at 7 PSI. This pump's supposed to make 6. I have the regulator out pretty far to where it should be making maybe 2. So I'm gonna work on this real quick. I might change these out. I mean, we have them here, so let's see what we got. All right, so no needle and seats right here. There is trash. Lots of trash. Don't know where it's from because all the lines are clean. But we have other needle and seats. Oh, and these are 110s. That's a little much for this anyway. So I'm going to swap these out, reset our floats, and go. All right, I changed out to instead of 097 needle and seats, 110 to bring it in. It did flood up a little bit in the back, but now we're dead on. They were all right. You can see our fuel levels there. Probably going to kick our fuel pressure up a little bit. We got to put our plugs back in as well. And adjust our fuel pressure first. Alright, our plug level air cleaner on and test drive it.